Hello friends, my name is Dorothy from Niyi Crotchet and Collectionz, and today we are going to join a red cardigan. You can see I'm also in red, so let's begin straight away. Okay, watch out. Alright, yeah, we are going to put our cardigan together. Like, we are going to join all the parts. So let's begin here. I'm going to do a red cardigan and I'm in red, and you can see I love red. So let's not waste time, let's begin. This is our next panel, front panel, so I'm going to attach it right here, as you can see. Identify the back, so my inside is going to be here. So I want this part to be my outside, then the inside will be this. Okay, so we are going to start from our corner here. This is the chain that was made, so it is a little bit hard to get. So we shall attach it like this. We made our slip knot and we begin. Okay. To chain one, insert a single crochet right here. Sorry, not a single crochet, a slip stitch. Insert a slip stitch here. I like inserting 2 slip stitches at the beginning to make it tight. So we are going to go making slip stitches to the other side. I'm going to attach my other panel here. I make a slip knot like this. This is how I do my slip knot. And okay. I have finished attaching one front panel. You can see I've finished attaching it, and I'm going to attach also. Don't move. I'm going to attach this side, then I'll come and show you how we're going to put our sleeves. Okay. Well, you can see I've finished attaching the panel on. You see, I have attached the panel on, and I'm going to attach right away this other panel. We have another panel. I'm going to attach it, then I come back. After attaching another panel, I come back and show you how we are going to attach our sleeves for our cardigan. I've now finished attaching our both panels together. We are going to put the arms or the sleeves. You can see it's much into the cardigan right now. So you can see can see. Yeah. So let's put our sleeves. Wow,